So a really big question that I always get from people on their natural hair journey is, what deep conditioners can you recommend to me? So I think it's a really good time to do a video on my top favorite deep conditioners that I've been using throughout the cold winter months and what you can be using too. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hop right into it. As much as people hate wash day, they love to deep condition their hair, and so do I. Disclaimer, they're in no particular order. I'm just going to grab and talk to you guys about it and why I love this deep conditioner and why I would recommend it to you. So, let's go. Alright, first up on the list is from Uncle Funky's daughter. This is the Heal and Renew Intense Hair Mask. So I actually recently tried Uncle Funky's daughter, including their Heal and Renew hair mask. Top tier, baby. I like that I didn't need to use a lot. I want to show you guys. Yeah, I didn't need to use a lot at all. The water works so well with this product, and that's one thing that I want to remind you guys, that when you are doing your deep conditioning sessions, you want to make sure that you're using a lot of water and a little bit of product, because that's how we moisturize our hairs, with water, and then this helps to penetrate it through. Now keep in mind that this does have a silk protein. There is protein in here, and if you're on your natural hair journey, you may or may not know about proteins yet. It's a good topic to research and know about protein for your hair and hair care, and know that protein should not be used every week. There's something called protein overload, where your hair becomes mushy and soft because you're using too much of it. This is something that you definitely want to reach for either every 2 weeks or once a month, depending on how dry your hair is. Protein is for people who have extremely dry, brittle hair, and this is designed to help strengthen and restore the hair strand. However, just don't overdo it. Every 2 weeks or even once a month is fine. Next up on the list, y'all, is my beloved. It is Masque. This is their strengthening protein plus moisture balancing deep conditioner treatment. Woo, that was a handful, baby, but we got through it. So it says it's for dry, damaged hair, which it definitely is for. So why I love Masque so much is because they really take their time formulating different ingredients until they get the perfect batch or the perfect mixture. Masque hits hard every time, and I think that they really are for people who just have that thick, coarse hair and it has a hard time getting moisture into the hair strands. That's when you want to reach for Masque. And like it says, it's protein plus moisture balancing treatment. So it gives you the basic directions of what you do with a deep conditioning treatment. You just want to apply it to your hair after you're done cleansing. You're going to rake it from your roots all the way down to your ends. It does recommend that you cover with a plastic cap for 30 minutes and then rinse with warm water. And of course, you can sit under some heat or allow this steam to work through your curls. I actually purchased a steamer, and you guys will see that once I make the video, I'll tag it below for you. It's just going to be probably an Instagram reel and a TikTok, but I did purchase a steamer because I want to level up my deep conditioning treatments and deep conditioning sessions. So I want to really make sure that the product is penetrating through my curls and that my curls are super moisturized through these cold winter months, and it's products like these that's going to help me get through my sessions like that. Again, if you need that protein, every 2 weeks or once a month is good. And how you will know if a deep conditioner carries protein, it'll either say it on the front really big because they want you to know that there's protein in here. If not, you can always go to the back and read the ingredients, and it'll say something like a silk protein, a hydrolyzed protein, a baobab protein. So there's a few different proteins actually in here, and you can see them clear as day if you read the ingredients. So make sure when you are doing your deep conditionings that you're reading the ingredients to make sure that it has protein or doesn't, if you need it or if you don't. Okay, you're picking up what I'm putting down, friend. All right, next is that good old Shea Moisture, either your hater or your lover friend. And this is called their High Porosity Moisture Replenish Mask with baobab and aloe vera. This also had baobab in here. So that's so interesting that baobab actually is really popular. So I have been a long time lover of the Shea Moisture products. I do have high porosity hair. Say it is a little bit harder for water and moisture to penetrate through my curls. I had a little bit of heat damage growing up, and it caused my curls to not take in moisture how it needs to. So I've been on my natural hair journey just like you, trying to fix these curls, honey. Trying to get it together, friend. This is specific specifically designed for people who have high porosity hair, who have a harder time getting moisture and water into that hair shaft to really truly moisturize the hair. So if you're somebody who needs help with just getting moisture into your hair, I would definitely reach for the Shea Moisture High Porosity Moisture Replenish Mask with baobab and aloe vera. All right, moving right along. This is one of my favorites. I actually have not tried a lot of products from this particular brand. I would really like to, however. This is the Adwoa Beauty, if I pronounced that correctly. And this is their Baomint. I hope I said that correctly as well. Baomint Deep Conditioning Treatment as baobab. Everything has baobab. Why am I now realizing that? Baobab's really good for you, by the way. Look that up. Look that up. What is baobab? It's a tree that grows in Africa, and it's like a healing tree. And they bear the fruits and the nuts, and some people actually live in these trees as well. Like, they're huge. Look up baobab. It's like called the healing tree in Africa. So there's also wintergreen, spearmint, and peppermint oils. So if you love like that minty, tingling, refreshing feeling when you're washing and deep conditioning your hair, then you will definitely love how this feels. Deep penetration, deep moisture. This is a very good product. I don't know why I haven't tried more stuff from Adwoa Beauty. I believe they are also a black owned, female owned business as well, and they're doing very good. And it says for dry textured hair, so they're created just for us. I love that this is also 16 ounces, so you really are getting a good bang for your buck. I find when I'm using deep conditioners that are more so 16 ounces or over, it just takes a longer time to get through them. So yes, they might cost a little bit more, but you're getting more product and you can use them for a longer period of time, unlike something that's only 10 ounces or 12 ounces. It really does make a huge difference. Again, lots of water, little bit of product goes a long way. So Adwoa Beauty is definitely on the top of my list. They're perfect for the cold winter months. I be using my products, friend. Don't play with her. Okay, next one, y'all. You will never guess, but I really do like her. This is Trux. It's their Soothe and Restore Ultra Moisturizing Deep Conditioner, baby. It's for moisture, anti-breakage, and detangling. This is also vegan as well. Trux is going to come through every time. I feel like they are the underdog. Trux has good products. Listen to the words coming out my mouth, friend. They are really good. They're a very good brand. So I feel like they're definitely the underdog because they're up and coming, and a lot of people probably don't know about Trux. But like, I'm not saying that like they're just starting out. They're definitely like big, but and I also like that they are diverse. Like when you go on their page, you'll see women from all walks of life on the Trux feed on Instagram, which I really like. You'll see black women, white women, like everybody that has curly hair. So that makes me feel good to use their products because I know that they're all inclusive and they really care for different hair types and all hair types, and they portray that and show that through their organic posting on Instagram. So I like that, and I like the Trux products. Like I said, I personally really do like using the Trux products, and if you guys have never experienced Trux before, I definitely would recommend this one to you. All right, moving right along. If you guys are liking our little chit chat so far about like deep conditioners and masks that I would recommend to you guys, make sure you're following me, friend. My name is Aaliyah. I do natural hair care stuff all over YouTube, TikTok, and on Instagram. You can follow me at As Always Aaliyah, and just make sure that you guys are subscribed and locked in with me so I can keep creating awesome natural hair care content for you. All right, moving along. Oh my God, back at it again. It's Shea Moisture up in my favorite. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Wait. Oh my God. Back at it again. It's Shea Moisture up in my top 10. Okay, I can't do it. First of all, it's not even top 10. It's top 8. All right, hold on. Let me try one more time. Oh my God. Back at it again. It's Shea Moisture up in my top 10. I suck. This is the holy grail right here. Their Jamaican black castor oil strengthening restore treatment mask with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. bitch. Okay, this is one of the first lines I actually started using because it specifically said for it's nourish and renew natural, chemically processed or heat styling hair. And when I first started going natural, I had a lot of heat damage, so I just thought that this was something that would definitely help me, in which it did. So I really do recommend and like Shea Moisture. I know there's like a big debate right now. A bit again, Shea Moisture, The Main Choice, oh my goodness, so many other brands, My Organics. If you sell your company, if you don't sell your company, as long as the product works, like, that's all that matters. And it works. This works. It doesn't smell the best, but it works really, really good. Amazing. I love it. It has Jamaican black castor oil, shea butter, and also peppermint, so it's a very thick deep conditioner, but just keep in mind that a little goes a long way. And also just reading the back and the ingredients to see if there is protein, which I do see there's hydrolyzed wheat protein, so there also is a protein in here. So just keep in mind that you probably only want to use this 2 times a month or once a month. A lot of them have protein, some of them don't. Very important to read so you don't get protein overload. When you're using too much protein, too much of anything isn't good for your hair. So yeah. Ooh, baby, we on our last two, friend. All right, coming at you guys. I feel like this is another underdog. I don't know, you guys let me know. Is KCare something that you guys reach for and purchase? But you really should try KCare. They have bomb hair products, friend. This is called the Intense Restorative Masque, and it's by KCare. I used this in the shower the other day, fell in love like I always do when I use KCare products. It's really silky. Did you guys see that? Like, it has like that goo to it. I don't want to touch it because I don't want my hands getting messy. It's super thick. I can put it like this and it ain't moving, friend. So if you guys are into thick deep conditioners, this is something that you definitely want to reach for as well. And it smells really good. It smells like a fresh, clean shower, like how it should smell. So yeah, KCare is also that girl. And let me know, is this an underdog? Is this something that you guys reach for? Because I feel like this definitely will be on the shelves in like top corporations like the Walmarts and Targets and Ultas. If it's not already, I'm not exactly sure. I'll look it up and have it on the screen if it is or if it isn't. But yeah, and this is for weak and dry damaged hair. I feel like that's every hair mask. But yeah, get KCare. That girl, honey. All right, last but certainly not least, I gotta break out my girl, my Whitney friend. This is my Whitney. This is the Melanin Hair Care Plumping Deep Conditioner. It says with hyaluronic acid, biotin, fenugreek, pumpkin, and bamboo. It's silkening plus strengthening. This is how we are looking. I remember when she first started launching her products, and that was actually around the time that I became like serious on YouTube, when I knew that I wanted to start consistently posting. And her brand was one of the, I think if not the first brand that I posted about back in 2020 when I started consistently posting on YouTube. So I will actually link that video up here so you guys can see how far I came, because I promise the video that you're looking at today and the video that you're about to watch from me in 2020, completely different, Aaliyah. Okay, leveling up every day, honey. But yeah, I will have that linked in the description below. So I actually was very impressed with this deep conditioner. I truly did like it. I like the Melanin Hair Care products. It's more on the like softer side. It's not as thick, but like you can kind of see, like, she moves, baby. She's moving in there. So just keep that in mind if you like that kind of consistency. I like what it does to my hair. I like how it makes my hair feel after I'm putting it in and just letting it sit for a while. I'm reading the directions, also the ingredients, to see if there's any protein. I'm not seeing any protein, but there's like, I'll list the ingredients on the screen for you guys. It says a little goes a long way. Working in sections, use a nickel to a quarter size amount depending on your hair texture and density. So each section, she's recommending that you use a nickel to a quarter size amount. I personally will recommend a little bit more than nickel to quarter size amount, but a little bit no. It also says that you can leave on your hair for up to 30 minutes and then you must rinse it out. I don't know why some people are leaving their deep conditioners in. I had like a few people comment, I think they're just starting their natural hair journey, and they're telling me that they leave their deep conditioners in. It's like, I just recommend that you follow the directions. If it says that you can leave it in overnight, leave it in overnight. In this, I do have products that say that you can leave it in overnight. If it says leave in for 15 to 20 minutes, leave it in 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it out, friend. Like, why you not following the directions when your hair start falling out? Don't you come crying to me. I told you to follow the directions now. But Melanin Hair Care, that girl. Oh, and her pops, her lollipops that she sends when she does her new drops, girl. Speaking of Melanin Hair Care, I also purchased their signature line travel their signature line travel kit. So you guys can see, I did not open it yet. I'm not going anywhere, so I don't want to use it just yet. I want to wait till I go to like a nice Airbnb or, you know, something, and then I can go ahead and show you guys how I like to use my kit on vacation. It even comes with like a little travel size bag as well, if you guys saw. So I will be using this. I purchased this with my own money, friend. My own money. I really like Melanin Hair Care, and I love that she is fighting to get into like the Ulta. I think she's in, is she in Sephora or Ulta Beauty? It's one or the other. I can't remember which one, but she is doing it, and she's also in Canada as well. Okay, baby girl's international. So if you guys like Melanin Hair Care and Whitney White, follow her and follow her journey. She's not only the owner of Melanin Hair Care, but she's a fellow influencer and YouTuber as well. So make sure you guys are supporting her. All right, y'all, so that is my top 8 favorite deep conditioners for winter. I have them all over here, the ones that I would recommend to y'all. I have more, and sometimes it's just so hard to, you know, narrow it down, but you really just have to focus on what your experience was when you were using the hair product. And I had a really good time using all of these hair products and all of these deep conditioners, masks, and treatments. So that's why I want to recommend them to you guys. If you are somebody who is not deep conditioning weekly or at least every 2 weeks, what you doing with yourself, friend? How are you a natural curly girl? You got natural hair that look like mine. You need to be deep conditioning at least once a week. But sometimes I understand if people stretch it to 2. I don't know how people go a month without clarifying and washing their hair. Like at most homegirl is doing is 2 weeks. And that's because I had a busy schedule where I probably just wasn't able to get to it. On a regular, normal day, yeah, you'll see me washing, or not a regular, normal week, I usually wash my hair on Saturdays, Fridays, Saturdays, or Sunday. Guys, if you want to learn more about like hair regimens, how to have curly hair, like this is a perm rod set, friend. Okay, and we're on day 7. I'm literally about to get in the shower and go wash my hair right now. We're on day 7, so I'm really excited. So if you guys want to just learn more about natural curly hair, how to get the curls, to pop, please make sure you guys are subscribed, locked in, and following me. I started YouTube videos in 2020. Here we are about to enter 2024, and I'm still going strong, and I really hope that I have your support as I continue my journey. So thank you guys. I am out of here. You saw it all from my deep conditioners. And comment below what would you like to see next, because I can do shampoos, I can do creams. Ooh, creams, I would have to do like top 15. Like I could not. I have so many. All right, I'll probably do creams next. I think I did mousses already. Like I'll tag everything below that I already did, and you guys can tell me what you want. But I also am going to have more curl color gel videos come up. I want to use my Ayurveda again, so I have so many different ideas that I want to do. I just kind of have to get to them all. My goal is to post 3 videos a week. We are fighting for it, y'all. If you guys don't know, it's really hard to be posting on YouTube, but hey, I'm in it for the long run, so hopefully you're rocking out with me. All right, y'all, make sure you're subscribed, and I'm out of here. My name is Aaliyah. This is As Always Aaliyah, where we always keep it real. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Deuces.